I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate. We're diving into a classic, velvety hot chocolate recipe that's perfect for any cozy moment. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of whole milk for that luxurious creaminess, along with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate, either chips or a chopped bar, and a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out the flavors. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start building that delicious base. In a medium saucepan, pour in your 3 cups of whole milk. Next, add the 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and the 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Grab a whisk and combine these ingredients thoroughly. You want to make sure everything is perfectly smooth, with no little lumps of cocoa powder hiding, ensuring a silky texture for your hot chocolate. With our base combined, it's time to gently heat things up. Place your saucepan over medium heat, whisking frequently for about 3 to 4 minutes. The goal is a warm, smooth mixture, so be careful not to let it boil. Once warm, add your 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips or chopped chocolate. Continue whisking occasionally for about 2 minutes until all the chocolate has completely melted and the mixture is wonderfully smooth. Finally, stir in that ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Your homemade hot chocolate is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully divide the warm, rich beverage evenly into your favorite mugs. This is where you can get creative with toppings. A generous dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fluffy marshmallows are classic choices. For an extra touch, sprinkle a little cocoa powder or add some chocolate shavings. This velvety, decadent drink is perfect for a chilly day or any time you crave a sweet, comforting treat. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.